Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Monopoly Go account. To do so, you first need to launch a game on your device. Once it's launched, on the top right side of your screen, you'll see an icon with 3 lines. Click on it. Now go to Settings, and then now click on Manage Account. And here you can see an option called Account Deletion. Click on it. Wait for this to load. And then click on this Delete My Account button, and your account will be deleted. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!